In this video, we will talk about how to add Bluetooth to a Windows 10 PC. Step 1. Check if your PC already has Bluetooth. Right-click on Start, select Device Manager. Check if your Bluetooth showing up in here. If you don't see, that means Bluetooth is not installed. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth in Windows 10. Click on Start, open Settings, select Devices, turn Bluetooth on. If there is no Bluetooth switch, continue our next methods. Step 3. Add Bluetooth if your PC doesn't have it. Open any browser, copy-paste the following link I have mentioned in the description, and press Enter. Buy TP-Link USB Bluetooth adapter. Simply plug it and follow our Step 2. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.